With KHON2 Weather, Kamaka Pili.
Hope you get comfortable with the showers for a little bit because it's going to keep our evening damp and take us into the new year. Here on Oahu in Honolulu, we're starting off the day. That chance of thunderstorms continues at least to around the later portion of tomorrow morning. So once we get into the afternoon, that diminishes, and then the rain chances will slowly start to diminish, especially by tomorrow evening. So you can expect scattered to likely showers really stretching across all the islands, and those winds, they will remain light. We are seeing some southerly winds, and they're going to continue to be in the single digits, a little stronger for Kauai. Here on Oahu, it is a gloomy day outside. Wet roads will continue. High threat for our ua, low threat for the others. We do have now, just in recent minutes, a flood advisory issued for Oahu until around 7:15, as there is a band of showers moving over. Winter weather advisory for the summits of Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa. For surf, 4 to 6 footers for the east, 3 to 5 up north, 1 to 3 for the west, and flat to 2 down on the south. Right now, we're being impacted by this trough, or a tail of this storm system that continues to lift towards the northwest, and will continue to do so as we progress through the weekend. So if we take a peek, jumping to the ending of the weekend, we're going to continue to see that tail lingering around, and the storm system itself will kind of absorb another storm system, so it's only going to prolong the period that this disturbance will be lingering around the islands. We're not going to be seeing improvements to around the middle of next week, or as we approach the middle of next week. We're looking at 10 o'clock this evening right now, where we're going to continue to have that moisture drifting up towards the north. That band, though, stays to the east, but with those southerly winds, it will continue. So we'll have periods of better conditions and improvements, and then we're going to have more of those scattered showers remain, with the storm system lingering towards the west of the islands. Of course, Kauai and Oahu being closest to it. That's creating instability in the atmosphere that could lead to periods of heavy downpours, especially for Kauai and Oahu through the evening in through tomorrow. Right now, we have this one band of showers. That's what's moving over Oahu, triggering that flood advisory. Right now, the first places to see it is from Honolulu down towards the Ewa side, and then as the southerly winds continue, it will brush it over towards the north, and then we can expect the other side of the island to continue, or to expect those showers as well. So if we take a peek in through tomorrow morning, our first forecast for 2022, starting off the day, cloudy skies, showers will continue. Again, that threat of thunderstorms remain at least into the latter portion of the morning. Jumping to the evening, we'll have lighter showers, but again, expect scattered up to likely showers. The greatest chance of showers look to remain towards the west portion of the state. Unfortunately, the trade winds, they will be out of the game at least until we get to around Wednesday, when we start to get northeasterly winds, and that will shift back towards the east by the latter portion of the week, hopefully returning back to some trade wind weather. Happy New Year's, everybody. Dash, back to you.